What's that go to? That looks like there's a fort over there. I'm curious. I don't know. You can't make it out because this is a... I'm going to look. Oh, dog shit. What is that? I don't know whose land this is. I didn't see no sign saying private property, so I guess I'm good. Probably a homeless person living over there. Bugs. Yeah, it looks like some Blair Witch hunting hide cabin something. What is that sticking up over there? It's a garbage bag. Be prepared to run. Instincts have totally fled. I'm just walking without thinking right now. Look at that. Hello? Anybody here? This is interesting. Yeah, it's like a chair. A chair with a lid on it. Look at that, they have some shading on top. That's really nice. I'm not going to go that way. Maybe Big Bird came here and he was building a nest. Okay, documented. I got something. Weird.